Welcome to a ProductionNet tutorial. We will be looking at the downtime reports. Here on the downtime reports tab, at the top of the screen, you can change the range in the dates, filter by the tags, by the work centers, by tools, by parts, and by shifts. Here in the middle of the page, you see the Pareto of downtime. In this example, it's filtered by category. So here we have the production category, the logistics, the maintenance, and the quality. I can change this by simply clicking on the drop-down menu and see that I can pick reason, work center, part, and tag. By reason, if I click here, I can see all the top reasons that I'm having downtime issues. By clicking on one of the bars, I can filter one more time, going to the work center where this is happening the most. I can see in press A, it's happening the most. And by hovering on this, I am able to see the information. Here on the bottom part of the screen, you can see the dates where this reason was having the most issues. Clicking one more time, here I can click in and see the category. I can reset the filter by pressing this erase button, reset. And then I can pick a different item. For example, here in part, I can see that 6017 is a part with the most downtime. Clicking again, I can pick one of these items and see what category, for example, it had the most downtime in. And this is how you can mix and match the different categories and reason and filters. Thank you for using ProductionNet.